This weekend, the residents of Ottawa-Gatineau area, together with volunteers, filled more than 100,000 sandbags to prevent flood water damaging their homes and from flooding the streets as water level rise. The residents are far more than ready compared to what they experienced on the disastrous flood in the spring of 2017. Environment Canada issued a rainfall warning over the weekend of water level rising along the Ottawa River. Warming temperatures have caused snow to melt, and movement of ice also contributed to the rising of Ottawa River.
We've got a couple hundreds to do to deliver everywhere in the city. Back there is where we extract all the bags. There's already a couple hundreds now outside. There's trucks doing in and out all day to bring more sand there, like we see there, and to extract the pallets.
They're always full of water, so we're doing sandbag here because there's a lot of people around with houses. They need sandbags for preparing for the water coming up, so they won't go in the basement or those kind of things. We had earlier we had the army helping us to do sandbags, and I'm a machine operator to bringing the bags to the truck, the vehicle. They need some sandbags.
Volunteers and municipal workers, with the help of the Canadian Armed Forces, have been filling and stacking hundreds of sandbags. These sandbags were put in front of houses to prevent water from entering their homes. A number of roads and streets were closed. According to Urgence Quebec, 6 major floods are threatening thousands of Quebecers, with around 2,400 residents across Quebec having been flooded. More than 1,500 residents have been forced out of their homes. The communities in the area of Ottawa-Gatineau are on watch, as the city says it could receive another 20 to 40 millimeters of rainfall in the coming days. This is Rosalie Castro in Gatineau, Quebec. Reporting for Eagle News, I am one with 25.